Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to reset your Insignia Roku TV. So go to settings. Once you're in settings guys, you're going to go all the way down, use your remote and navigate down. We're going to go to system, and of course once you're in system guys, we're going to go next over to the option that says here advanced system settings. Alright, so once you're advanced system settings, we're going to do a factory reset. This means it's going to reset your device back to its default. You can do a factory reset everything, or you can reset audio and picture settings. Alright, so this is the one here. You can see the password on screen. In case it asks for the password, simply enter this. Do not do this unless you want to restore your device to the condition that it was when it came out of the box. You can also reset picture settings and stuff back to its default before you modify them. So in case you change the picture settings and you mess them up, or your audio settings and you mess them up. All right, so the idea is basically if the software was installed as well, the same would happen. So you can actually do that very easily on this TV. Use dynamic reset options, and of course you can go through and reset as you need to. All right guys, so this basically wraps up the tutorial here, and as always guys, Ricardo Gardner with another tutorial showing you how to reset your TV. Ricardo Gardner, same bye until next time. Bye.